If you want to use QuickShare to transfer files on your Redmi A7 Pro, then in that case the easiest way to do so is by simply start sharing files that you want to transfer to someone or send to someone. So you can do this via pretty much every app where we have files. So this can be your gallery app, and this can be the Files app by Google, and so on and so forth. So over here, if you find whatever you want to transfer, let's say I'm gonna just go to downloads over here, I have this file. If I want to, of course, send it, I can just select it over here, use the share button, and then in this share menu, you should be able to easily find QuickShare, and sometimes you can immediately find QuickShare devices or devices that are found in QuickShare straight away. But of course, we can tap on QuickShare in order to open the QuickShare app. In here we have the send section selected. You should be able to find your devices and nearby devices as well. So if you find that other device that you want to send your file or files to, you should be able to select it over here. If you have trouble with detecting the device, you can use this QR code instead. So the QR code can be scanned on another device. And besides that, of course, you can just simply open the QuickShare panel instead, and then select the file and then choose to whom you want to send it. So if you go to the control center or quick settings, you should be able to find QuickShare by default somewhere over here. So you can just select it. And then in here, we're gonna go to the send menu, and you should be able to find this option over here, select files to share. So you can tap on this select button in order to start choosing files that you want to transfer. You can also tap on these three lines in the upper left corner in order to choose one of these available categories. And you should be able to locate your files, select them, and then just send them. So let's say I'm just gonna select this file over here. And there we go, the rest is pretty much the same. Now, as for receiving files, the best way to make sure that you can transfer these files, or receive these files actually, is by going to this receive menu. So you can tell that other person that you're trying to send your files to tell them that ideally they want to be in this receive menu, because while they are here, as long as they are here, the visibility is set to everyone temporarily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.